Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me and for like readings and healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course too, links are given below in the description box. Let's see. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Eight of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Wow. Mentally stressed out, energetically stressed out, still waiting for this situation somehow to recover. Wow. This is somebody who can't stop thinking, who can't stop overthinking about the situation. And the more they are trying to focus on the positive, the more this situation is kind of weighing them down. And they're waiting for the time when they will be able to do something about it, or some kind of miracle is going to happen and everything is going to be fine. Either it's going to be dissolved completely or the situation is going to evolve positively. So with a lot of heavy hearted energy, with a lot of stressful energies inside my mind, I am waiting for something, some kind of miracle to happen in the situation so that I can either move on completely or come back completely. This is the kind of energy this person is going through right now. There is no emotions involved right now at this present moment at all, because they are not able to get in touch with their heart. They are continuously in their head, and it's kind of stressing the hell out of them. There's love behind, like a lot of layers are there before the love part comes. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions here for the situation between you and them? We have the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Empress. Their intention is to have back and forth communication with you, offer you some kind of peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation, and to have a lot of growth and expansion in the situation, maybe marriage, maybe commitment, maybe kids together. So this person wants to see you in their future as their life partner, as the one for them, and they definitely want to have like lots of back and forth communication, lots of this energy of okay, let's sort it out with each other, because this person still sees you as the one for them. Now the love is coming in their intentions. Their heart is definitely clouded by their thoughts. In their intentions, they're very pure intentions to sort to visit you, to have back and forth face to face communication with you, to offer you something beautiful, and to have a lot of growth and expansion together, to grow old with you kind of deal. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 11th of May, Cancer. We have the Star card, the Eight of Cups, the Justice. According to them, right now is not the right time to do anything about the situation. So they are moving on to this energy of healing themselves completely, and choosing the right direction, choosing the right action, course of action. And according to them, the right course of action is to keep moving ahead and not look back. Okay, according to them, whatever happened. They have to heal themselves properly, and then they have to uh, definitely let go of this particular situation out of their life, out of their system, because right now is not at all the right time to act upon their impulses or act upon what they want. So it's like the energy of healing deeply, moving on, and choosing the right path, choosing the right thing to do. Okay, logically. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Swords. This is a done deal, honey. This chapter is over. Even if you are going to live in this illusion or delusion that, oh my god, this person is still in love with me and they are going to come back around and everything is going to be fine miraculously, it's not happening. For this particular week, we are talking. For this particular week, at least, you have to understand the situation for what it is. Keep the situation as truthful and as honest within yourself as you can, and don't try to make things something else that they are not. Right now it's like definitely the worst is over in this situation. Definitely there's hope for something to happen, but not right now at all. And if you are going to live in this hope that someday something is going to happen and everything is going to shift and change and blah blah blah, then it's never going to happen, basically. Because this lesson is very important for you to understand This whole situation is trying to give you the lesson of taking things, people and situations for what they are and who they are, and what's real, and stay in the reality check. Delulu is not the solution here at all, Cancer. Not at all. Living in the present moment, living in the truth of the situation openly and honestly is the solution here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.